look what I found. Oh, I thought we gotta be still. Okay, from this point of view, what can you find that's absolutely revolting and disgusting? Let's see. Maybe it's this. This dead chicken. You know, I don't know why I have so many dead animals. In fact, this probably is... Should I touch it? Oh, its fur is so soft. Okay. I'll be right back. Get us some gold. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Got this thing. Should be heavy, bruh. No, what in the world? Look how many ants. Disgusting. Look at that. Poor chicken. Probably feels... Oh dang! Bro! I'm just throwing this thing, bro. Try to get all the ants off, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Poor guy. I feel bad for him. I'm gonna smother him in dirt. Should I do that? Come here, Mom. Do you want me to show your face on camera?
What? Where is that?
It was over there.
Was it fur?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna bury it.
Okay.
Also, Mom, I'll try to guess where the bird is. Any guesses? Over here, pal. I'm gonna bury it.